Hello everyone, my name is Leanne. I currently live in San Diego, Texas. I may have had some of you last semester, maybe I didn't, but either way, hello again if I did. I have been using digital media since I was maybe 10 years old. I just really have a big fascination for art in general, all kinds of art, whether it be on paint, computer, even though my main one is like digital art. So why I'm taking this major because I want to pursue something with this degree. I Yeah, I've been pretty much using digital art since I was maybe like 10 years old. Been making all kinds of art. I've been making it. I just been making it for as long as I can remember. Um, but yeah, like what I really want to do is learn more, like learn as I go, while taking these classes. And I really want to learn. I really want to see what these classes have to offer, and I know that they're going to do great justice. So, I can't wait to see everyone's work. I'm very happy to meet you guys. I wish everyone best of luck this semester. Thank you.